So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add reflection to text here on a Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up, in between shape and chart, just add some text. I will type in the word reflection just like this. I will also make it a little bit larger in regards to font size. So it's easier for you guys to see. So if you want to reflect the text right here, it's very simple. Press on the text, go to the top right to where it says style and press on that. Then go down to where it says reflection right here and make sure that reflection is checked. Now as you can tell, it's reflecting a little bit. You can make it an 100% reflection, a little bit of a reflection, whatever it is. You can also make it, increase the opacity or decrease the opacity. It is completely up to you. So super duper simple, super straightforward, but that is how to add reflection or reflect text here in a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.